How to change Instagram language to Arabic. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So in order to change your language to Arabic, in order to change your Instagram language to Arabic, you have to change your overall phone language to Arabic. To do that, tap on the settings option. Now from here, tap on the search bar icon and tap on language. As you do so, you will see language under General Management. Tap open it, then tap on language. If you cannot find Arabic language from these options, tap on add language, find the Arabic language, tap onto it, then tap on apply. Just like so, if you do that, it will change the overall phone language to Arabic, meaning it will also change your Instagram to the language that you want. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.